breakfast brought in this morning by room service. We have a early day since it's like 7 a.m. Since we're heading to Mr. Sanchos, we're going to be docking, I believe, at 7:30, and we can get off the ship early, so we have a continental breakfast to come to the room. Hello, well, it's day 3. We just docked into Cozumel. We can get off the ship at 7:30, and we have to be back on by 4:30. So today we had continental breakfast in our room to make things faster and everything, and then we're going to be heading to Mr. Sanchos Beach Club. So we're excited to do that. We haven't done that before, and so follow along and make sure to like and subscribe. See you in a bit. Hey, we're on Cozumel. We just got off the ship, and we're going to be looking for a taxi to head to Cozumel's Mr. Sanchos. Down there. That water is so blue. Yeah, look at them all. There's a ton of them. Water's so clear. Head on down here to the taxi area. We're in the taxi heading to Mr. Sanchos. After a short taxi ride, we arrived at Mr. Sanchos around 9:18 a.m., ready for a full day of fun in Cozumel. The all-inclusive package was $60 per person, which covered unlimited food and drinks all day. Definitely a great value for a relaxing beach day. Yes.
A second for your welcome picture.
Okay, thank you. No, thank you.
Come on, everybody. Congratulations.
Good morning. You can walk up to the buffet if you'd like, or you can just relax and have your server bring the food for you, which is exactly what we did. So here's the pool. Our table was reserved for the day, but the lounge chairs in front of it are first come, first serve. We just laid our beach towels down and were able to use those too. At the time of our visit, the aqua park was $14 per person additional. We're at Sanchos. We ended up paying $60 per person. It includes all of our food and our drinks, just no shots, and none of the water park over here. It doesn't include it, or any of the water sports or whatever. But we get a table, and then the chairs in front of us are first come, first serve. And then we will also, the taxi was $10 a person getting here each way. And drink number 1. We also have another Miami Vice and a Powerade, water, and a beer. Oh, and a margarita. Gonna be ordering food soon. Those macaws are beautiful. A Mexican chicken?
It's a Mexican chicken.
Green Monster, second drink of the day.
Well, it's pre
Cheese quesadilla? Digo chicken quesadilla?
Coconut shrimp.
More chicken quesadilla with salsa?
Thank you.
Everything okay?
Yeah, it's good. Our third drink of the day, Banana Mama, which is basically Bahama Mama. Drink number 4 of the day. This time it's a virgin pina colada.
Here's Karsten. Right here. Pose for it real quick before you take it. Nice. Here you go.
I don't know, but there's a lot of fish down there.
The bathrooms are straight ahead, which is super clean. They have all these different tables. Here's their second pool. Here's the restrooms, which are very clean. The logo shop. Here's some more seating area. This ping pong table. I believe this is the kids' pool up here. Oh, here's the buffet. Oh, they even have pizza. Ooh, somebody sitting here. It's a covered patio. It's another pool. Oh, okay. I believe we paid a little bit less than $68 from doing it online.
T-shirts, hats.
So coming back for 6 people is $44. We're headed back to port. Alright, we're back to the port.
You first got on the taxi.
Yeah, this is where we first got on it. This is right across from the port. Alright, after a long day, we did some shopping in the port. We are heading back to the ship. We are in need of a shower. And get ready for dinner. It's 3:40 and dinner's at 5. So we need to hurry up. What?
Before they start, our amazing galley teams who have been preparing all these sumptuous meals for breakfast, lunch, and dinner up at the Windjammer Cafe here in the dining rooms.
After the announcement, please stand up and follow me. This one, you know this one.
Hey, this one's called the double overhead crack. You lost crack, you can just clap and yell. Takes a whole bunch of energy. I'll need that energy from all of you. This one's the
If you have a correct answer from all of the 7 answers that we have on the board, you must play. But if you have the number 1, you can choose to play on this, okay? Something that moves slowly. Hands up if you think the turtle is the number 1. Do we have a turtle in the board?
There's a guy playing a piano in the elevator.
Isn't that the guy from yesterday?
I don't know, is it?
And
That's very unusual, right?
It's got to be a small.
Dancing in the stars near the full deck.
One more time. We go 8, 7, 5, 10, 10, 8.
Getting ready for the 9 o'clock show.
go, go, go!
Ladies, we got this. We're gonna stop for more points. No running, no running, no running. More points. More points in the VIP area, no? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 3, 2, 1, and stop! Sorry, Kathy, come back. Oh, I'm joking, boy. Go in. All right, no more, no more. Now. Boys, let me hear, make some noise, boys! No, we're gonna change this. When I say boys, make some noise, we're gonna say who, right? Boys, make some noise! Oh, I like that. Okay. Do you think the ladies can do better?
All right, ladies, let's show them how loud we are. Ladies, let me hear you!
That was okay. Now, I'm gonna ask you to open only here. Just open here. I'm gonna touch you. You can go on back, and I'm gonna count you. Right? 1, 2. Wait, ladies. Right? 3, 4, 5, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 38, 38, 38, 38. Come on, everybody, give it up for the boys!
All right, ladies, let go of your arms right here for me. Ladies, when I touch you on the shoulder, you can go back to your seat, okay? So we have to beat 38. Is that right, Zico? 38. Nice try. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Stop!
59, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68! Stand up for me, sweetie. You need to be ready. Do me a favor. Swap seats.
Very good, very good, very good.
He gave up a shirt.
Alright, listen, team captains, listen, captains. The male captain with the team number in hand, wearing red lipstick. Go! 3, very good, okay.
Crazy quest.
Okay, boys, let's go! Boys, you are right here, right there, to entertain this beautiful audience. Please make sure that you're grabbing your own pants and not somebody else's pants, please.
Into day 3. We've had another great day. We had our one and only port today that was in Cozumel, and we chose to go to Mr. Sanchos. So we went on over there and stayed, a good portion of the day. We docked around 7:30 this morning, or at least we could get off at 7:30 this morning, but we got off around 8:30. 9 o'clock, got there around 9:20, and we were there for a good 4 or 5 hours or so. So we had a good time. Mr. Sanchos was highly recommended. We had a great time, good food, good service, good drinks. The water when you first walk in has a lot of rocks and it was kind of a little rocky, but once you got a little bit further out, it was, it was very nice and peaceful and stuff, and very calm. So we had a great day there. Mr. Sanchos has, I believe, 4 pools and quite a few bars, and I believe 3 of the bars have are like swim up in the pools, and the bathrooms were super clean. If you're from around this area, my kids had said the bathrooms were kind of like a Buc-ee's bathrooms, that they were that clean. So that was a relief to that you could go in there and it wasn't going to be dirty. But overall, it's a great day. Once we the cab going out there, they quoted us $10 per person. There were 6 of us, so it had been 60. We were able to get it for 50. And then coming back to port, it ended up being 44. So it was cheaper to go back to port than it was to leave port. So once we got back to port, we went ahead and did a little bit of shopping. We were docked in Punta Lagosto in the port, so we were able to go there and do a little bit of shopping before we came on back, before all aboard time at 4:30. So then we got dressed and showered and everything, got dressed for dinner at 5 o'clock. We had a great dinner. Dinner tonight was Mexican themed, so we had some good Mexican food and everything, and so dinner was great. Our food is, you know, we've had a lot of really good food this trip. So that was quite enjoyable. We were all tired. We were out in the sun for a long time, but after dinner we still went and did as many things as we could do. So we started off the evening by going at 7 o'clock to the headliner show, which was Aaron Bonk, which he did like whips and knife juggling and stuff like that. So and that was interesting. So we saw him, and then we headed over after that to see the Family Feud, or the Friendly Feud game show, and we didn't stay at that for very long. Everyone was a little bored, so we left that and kind of walked around, and we did see that they had some kind of dance competition up on the main deck of the pool deck. So we looked at that a little bit, got some ice cream, headed to the buffet, got some more some dessert and fruit and stuff, and just kind of waited around until our next show, which was at 9 o'clock, and we saw the game show Battle of the Sexes, which was for 18 plus, which was in Studio B. That was a lot of fun. It was the boys against the girls, and they did different competitions and stuff, and we had a good time with that. Then after that was the Quest. Yeah, the Crazy Quest game show, which was also 18 plus. Super fun. All the shows last around 45 minutes or so. So we saw that, and then I believe that started at 10, and we headed on back to the room after looking outside. The water's been fairly calm. When we first left Cozumel, it was a little rocky, but it was kind of bumpy at dinner and stuff, but it's pretty calm right now, and so hopefully we'll all get a good night's sleep, and we'll start all over again tomorrow on our last sea day, and then tomorrow will be Sunday, and then we get off on Monday morning. So our 5-day 4-night cruise has almost come to an end, unfortunately, and we'll just have to start planning for the next one. So please like and subscribe, and follow for more content, and we'll see what's going to happen tomorrow. Bye.